So what you were seeing there was, I didn't really want to lift the cover up on that thing that was making all that noise, but it's a rotating drum screen. And then the sound you're hearing is a spray bar that knocks, as the screen turns around, it collects detritus, and then that spray bar knocks it all off and sends it out of the system. So you're getting a screened, all the water is screened, and then those lights you saw were ultraviolet disinfection. This particular hatchery is located on a system, it's really pretty terrible water, but it's located on a system that has a lot of wild fish in it. And the wild fish can carry diseases that could be transferred over to the juveniles. So that's why we have that. Not all facilities need to have that, but that's the screened intake, basically. The raw water's coming in from Indian River, and it has big screens up there where the river comes in to keep the big stuff out and the wild fish out. But down here you do some finer filtering. Since we're here, I'll show you these other kinds of tanks. These are not great rearing tanks, but there's some facilities like the Deer Mountain Hatchery in Ketchikan, and also Crystal Lake Hatchery in Petersburg uses these. And these are being used for a variety of things. Like this place has a saltwater aquarium system, and this is just being used to pump raw seawater and then pump it up. But it gives you a pretty good idea, and they're kind of dirty here, but at least you can kind of see what's going on. Now, these aren't great examples, but these are called Swedish ponds. They're actually made by the same company that makes those big R48 incubators. These are fiberglass. They're really quite heavy and durable, and pretty simple. The water just comes in wherever you want it to come in, and then normally there's a screen. You can see where the bottom drain is, and there's no screen plate over there, but you could put that on there. Okay, and another thing I didn't really talk about over the circular ponds, but this is a good place to see it, is how you control being able to clean a tank and also be able to change the water level if you want to. And this is the way these work, is you can grab this thing and just kind of pull it up, and it would drain the pond right out this hole right here. So it could do that. And then if you're cleaning, a lot of times what you would do is take a brush and clean that screen and pull this thing up at the same time, and it would really pull the water through there. So I think that's about it for the circular tanks. We'll see some other circulars when we get out to Selmo Cove Hatchery, but it's a good intro anyway.